So can I ask you a question? What would an extra 300,000 naira to 600,000 naira do for you? And if I guess correctly, I'm sure you can be able to pay up certain bills for you. I'm sure you can be able to do certain stuffs that you want to do for people you love. I'm sure you can also be able to take yourself to some nice places, have some good time, and do certain things you actually want to do for yourself, right? Now, how can you make this same amount, I mean 300,000 naira to 600,000 naira, within the next 30 days for yourself? Okay, that's what I'm going to show you in this video. What's up everyone, Joshua Duwai here again, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you 5 steps that will guide you to making next 300 to 600,000 naira for yourself. Okay, and if you follow step by step everything I'm going to be showing you today in this video, I guarantee you that you will be able to make at least 300,000 naira and up to 600,000 naira within the next 30 days. Okay, and if you're wondering why I'm saying this confidently because I have been able to do this for myself, and I've also been able to do this for people, and they've also made good amount of money for themselves. Okay, so I'm going to talk about my own experience. I'm going to show you from my back end everything that I have actually done in the month of May to actually make this same amount and more. And I'm going to show you my ads manager so you see the orders. I'm also going to show you the order form so that you can also be able to see that, oh, this is not some conjured list, this is real stuff, this stuff works, right? And I'm also going to show you the amount of the product so that you can also see it and have an idea of how much money was made within 30 days in the month of May. All right, so let's dive straight into my PC so that I show you everything that went down. Okay, so right here we are at the ads dashboard, and you can see this is the ads manager I use in running adverts in the month of May. And let me just refresh it so that you know this is actually true and this is not some conjured stuff. It's not something I made up myself. So I'm refreshing it again. Okay, good. So now you can see this is May 1st 2022 to May 31st 2022, and as of right now this ads manager is currently disabled. I cannot run ads anymore. But during the month of May, you can see for yourself, you can see we had 13 here, 15 here, we had 187 here, and I think this was the highest that pulled in. This was the highest campaign. This was the campaign that pulled in the highest orders, I mean. And here we had 3, here we had 21, here we had 7, and if you scroll down, you're still going to see some other orders. You can see we have 2, we have 81 also. So in total, I think we were able to make over 329 orders in the month of May 2022. Okay, and so how much is this product? First of all, how much do you think this product costs? This product is actually a low ticket product, and it costs about 15,000 naira, right? This is it, just 15,000 naira. And imagine getting orders of about 329 orders for a 15,000 naira product. So let's see how much that costs. So 15,000 naira multiplied by 329 products, 329 orders, I beg your pardon. Okay, so we have a total here of about 4.9 million, which is approximately around 5 million. But this would have been the total sales figure for the month of May if we had delivered all these orders. Okay, but as it is common in the e-commerce industry, you know, you can hardly deliver all your orders. So generally we have about 50% delivery rates for this order, for this product, and we're able to deliver about 50% of all the orders we got in the month of May. Okay, so if you divide this by 2, which is around that 50%, you should be able to get around 2 million naira in sales. Okay, so that means we made about 2 million, 2.4 million, close to 2.5 million in sales for the month of May. Okay, and just in case you're still doubting, you have some bit of doubt in you, don't worry, I'm going to show you, I'm going to clear your doubts for you. I'm going to show you the other forms so that you can also see it for yourself. Okay, so if you look through these other forms, you're going to see that the date here is from 1st. Actually, this order started coming before the 1st of May. We started delivering this product before, or we started running the campaigns before 1st of May. So you can see there are other orders before now. If you scroll down, you're going to see there are other orders in the month of April. But as at the month of May, which is started from here, which is number 60, you see we had orders up till 31st of May, and you can see at 31st of May the total orders was amounting, the total orders here was amounting to about 374 orders. So you can see obviously this is quite some good numbers, right? Now this is exactly what I do for myself, so I am not trying to tell you something I don't do. I'm practicing what I preach here, right? So everything I'm going to be sharing with you is something that works, is something I have tried, is something I've gotten results from, and I want you to also get the same results or even better results than I did. And that's why I'm going to be showing you 5 steps that you can actually implement right now and make 300 to 600,000 naira for yourself. As a matter of fact, you can actually make more, but I'm just telling you, I'm just being minimalistic here, and I'm saying 300 to 600,000 naira. All right, so let's dive in for today. Okay, so before I dive in, I just want you to understand that everything I'm showing you, everything I've showed you, is basically e-commerce products, right? And these are physical products that you can actually buy and sell to your customers and deliver to them for your money. All right, and this is exactly what I'm going to be showing you in these 5 steps, right? So the number 1 step is first pick a hot niche. And picking a hot niche, I already have videos that explains and shows you different hot niches that you can actually delve into. All right, like for the product I was selling there, the niche I went into was a beauty niche. And if you know the beauty niche very well, you know that that niche is quite a hot niche that has a lot of prospective buyers. Okay, the niche that has a lot of people who are interested and want to look beautiful, they want to look more attractive, and they want to have some better appearance, and they want to be confident. Okay, so that is a very good niche, and there are also other niches that you can also delve into. Just scroll through my videos on my channel, and you're going to see videos on hot niches that you can also jump on right now. I shared them in different videos, and I'm going to drop in some of the video links below in the description box. Okay, so just go pick one of the hot niches and you will be fine. All right, so number 2 step is look for a product that the market is already buying and get them a better offer, or get them a better product, or get them a better pricing. Okay, now this whole idea is about looking for what the market is already buying. You don't want to go and create something new. You don't want to go and start looking for what the market wants. Okay, look for something that the market is already interested in, something that they are already buying. Okay, so when I went to get this product, before I started selling that product, I actually looked for a niche, which was the beauty niche. Then I went ahead to get a particular product because I saw that a lot of people were buying beauty products. I saw that there were a lot of ads that were flying for beauty products, and I saw that this was something that people were interested in and they were ready to buy. So what I did was get another product that looked better and offered better. Okay, so the same way you can also go ahead, look for a different product, and I have made different videos right here in my channel. If you go through, you can check the videos in my channel on how to get hot selling products. Now in all of these videos, you are going to discover how you can actually look for products that people are already buying and just tap into that market. So what you are just doing is basically tapping into the desires and selling to them better products, or you sell to them giving them a better offer, or you sell to them giving them a better pricing. whichever way you go, you are definitely going to get people interested in your product and sell to them. Okay, so number three step is sourcing your products from the Nigerian market. All right, so there's this thing a lot of people do that I think it's good, quite okay, not bad, but then it is actually not business wise. Okay, it's not wise in the business sense, because the truth is a lot of people look for a hot niche. They delve into a hot niche, they look for a hot product, then the next thing is they want to get this product directly from China themselves, and it takes them about 2 weeks and maybe sometimes even 3 weeks because of delays and hitches here and there, and before the product finally arrives. And when the product arrives, you know, a lot of people have already gone into the market, saturated the market, and they feel that they've already saturated the market with that product. So at that point, you are just coming in as a new entry. You now need to look for a new strategy to start selling off your products. Okay, why you can actually do this immediately? You can do this immediately by just getting a Nigerian supplier. Head over to GG, look for a supplier, get their contact, speak with them, arrange a deal with them, and sell your products. Okay, so you don't need to wait 1 week, 2 weeks, or even 3 weeks, sometimes even a month to get your product before you start selling. Okay, so basically get your product from a Nigerian supplier, and that's basically what I have been doing for a long time right now. Okay, so that is step number 3, and that's what I think you should do, and that's what I do for myself. And step number 4 is set up your marketing materials. And by marketing materials, we're looking at the sales page, the offer, the marketing angle you're going to use to come into the market, you know, and the whole content you're going to use to set up your product page or your sales page, and your videos or your images for adverts. All these are going to be put in place. Now, all these are what is going to help you to be able to sell out these products. Now, you need to set this up, put them on your website, set up your ads copy, set up everything, and get your adverts ready. Okay, then get your funding also right and kickstart your adverts. This is basically how you go about this step. Okay, there's nothing difficult about this, and if you are finding it difficult to go around all any of these steps I've just shared here, just go through the videos in my channel. I'm going to be dropping links right below in the description that can help you get this right. Okay, so you can just go there, check one of the videos, and see how you can actually set up your marketing materials and put them together to promote a particular product. All right, so step number 5 is fulfill your orders. Okay, and by fulfilling your orders, what I mean is the moment you begin to get orders, don't make the mistake of sleeping on them. Don't make the mistake of not calling these customers up immediately and confirming the orders, then making sure the delivery gets to them immediately. Once customers begin to order your products, what it just shows is that they are interested in your product, right? So the next thing you need to do is you need to call them, confirm that they actually want that product and when they want it. Once they confirm that, you get that product delivered to them. Okay, and once you get the product delivered to them, voila, you started making cool money for yourself. Okay, so this is basically how you go about making 300 to 600k for yourself within the next 30 days. And I guarantee you, if you follow these 5 steps I have shared with you right here, you are definitely going to make 300 to 600k for yourself within the next 30 days. Okay, so I hope you got value from this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, as I'll be dropping other valuable videos that will help your e-commerce business grow and blossom. So peace.